Hey there, quick review on these Crescent brand or Wiss brand straight snips. The great thing about this particular style of snips is that they're ambidextrous, so you can use them straight on like so, flip them over, and you've got the ability to use them in the exact same way. It's very handy if you're going both directions, cutting different things. You don't have to worry about having a different right hand or left hand snips. So they're definitely a must-have. With these, you get a nice spring back. They pop open nicely, and then you do have your retainer clip here. Very easy to push that back in, and it's even got your ability to use that with your thumb to lock that in place, which I really like. That's something that most snips don't have. These are rated for 18 and 22 gauge, but this is 24 gauge pipe, and as you can see here, it tears through it absolutely like butter. No problem. They're nice and sharp. That serrated edge really makes them cut nicely, and they feel good in the hand. So good quality snips, handles even up to 24 gauge just fine. I'd recommend these.